Driving theory test. You intend to turn left at the traffic lights. What should you do just before turning? Move up closer to the car ahead. Move out to the right. Check for bicycles on your left. Check your right mirror. The correct answer is check for bicycles on your left. Explanation: if you've been in a queue of traffic and are about to turn left, check your near side for cyclists, as they often filter past on the near side of slow-moving or stationary vehicles. You're driving at night. What should you do if you're dazzled by headlights coming towards you? Flash your main beam headlights. Shade your eyes with your hand. Slow down or stop. Pull down your sun visor. The correct answer is slow down or stop. Explanation: if the headlights of an oncoming vehicle dazzle you, slow down, or if necessary, stop. Don't close your eyes or swerve, as you'll increase your chances of having a collision. Don't flash your headlights either, as this could dazzle other drivers and make the situation worse. You're driving on a busy main road. What should you do if you find that you're driving in the wrong direction? Turn into a side road on the right and reverse into the main road. Turn around in a side road. Make a 3-point turn in the main road. Make a U-turn in the main road. The correct answer is turn around in a side road. Explanation: don't turn around in a busy street or reverse from a side road into a main road. Find a quiet side road and choose a place to turn around where you won't obstruct an entrance or exit. Look out for pedestrians and cyclists, as well as other traffic. You've broken down on a two-way road. You have a warning triangle. At least how far from your vehicle should you place the warning triangle? 100 meters, 328 feet, 5 meters, 16 feet, 45 meters, 147 feet, 25 meters, 82 feet. The correct answer is 45 meters, 147 feet. Explanation: advance warning triangles fold flat and don't take up much room. Use one to warn other road users if your vehicle has broken down or if there has been an incident. Place it at least 45 meters, 147 feet behind your vehicle, or the incident on the same side of the road or verge. Place it further back if the scene is hidden by, for example, a bend, hill, or dip in the road. Don't use warning triangles on motorways. Your car breaks down on a level crossing. What's the first thing you should do? Tell drivers behind what's happened. Leave your vehicle and get everyone clear. Stay in your car until you're told to move. Walk down the track and signal the next train. The correct answer is leave your vehicle and get everyone clear. Explanation: if your vehicle breaks down on a level crossing, your first priority is to get everyone out of the vehicle and clear of the crossing. Then use the railway telephone, if there is one, to tell the signal operator. If you have time before the train arrives, move the vehicle clear of the crossing, but only do this if the alarm signals aren't activated. How can you avoid wasting fuel? By revving the engine in the lower gears. By driving at higher speeds where possible. By keeping an empty roof rack on your vehicle. By having your vehicle serviced regularly. The correct answer is by having your vehicle serviced regularly. Explanation: if you don't have your vehicle serviced regularly, the engine will gradually become less efficient. This will cause increased fuel consumption and, in turn, an increase in the amount of harmful emissions it produces. What can you do to help prevent tiredness on a long journey? Play loud music in the car. Complete the journey without stopping. Take regular refreshment breaks. Eat a large meal before driving. The correct answer is take regular refreshment breaks. Explanation: long-distance driving can be boring. This, coupled with a stuffy, warm vehicle, can make you feel tired and sleepy. Make sure you take rest breaks to help you stay awake and alert. Stop in a safe place before you get to the stage of fighting sleep. What should you do if you become tired while you're driving on a motorway? Leave the motorway at the next exit and rest. Increase your speed and turn up the radio volume. Pull up on the hard shoulder and change drivers. Close all your windows and set the heating to warm. The correct answer is leave the motorway at the next exit and rest. Explanation: if you feel yourself becoming tired or sleepy, you should leave the motorway at the next exit or services and stop for a rest. If you have to drive a long way, leave earlier and plan your journey to include rest stops. That way, you're less likely to become tired while driving, and you'll still arrive in good time. You're driving on a one-way street. What should you do if you realize you've taken the wrong route? Reverse out of the road. Turn around in a side road. Reverse into a driveway. Continue and find another route. The correct answer is turn around in a side road. Explanation: never reverse or turn your vehicle around in a one-way street. It's illegal and could even cause a collision. If you've taken a wrong turn, carry on along the one-way street and find another route, checking the direction signs as you drive. Stop in a safe place if you need to check a map. What's the speed limit for a car towing a caravan on a dual carriageway? 70 mph, 60 mph, 50 mph, 40 mph. The correct answer is 60 mph. Explanation: the speed limit for cars towing caravans or trailers on dual carriageways or motorways is 60 mph. Due to the increased weight and size of the combination, you should plan further ahead. Take care in windy weather, as a strong side wind can make a caravan or large trailer unstable.